Let's talk about a brand new way to wrap ourselves and our families in comfort this holiday season. I'd like to introduce you to the Ultra Plush Towel Combo. It includes one bath towel, so big, one hand towel, and one body and face cloth in this beautiful Norwex Blue. I love this color so much. I originally got this color when I purchased my skincare set from Norwex, and I was just in love with that, and now I'm able to get the full set. So these are Norwex's thickest, fluffiest, velvety soft towels ever. Plus they're super fast drying. They do contain BacLock. BacLock is our silver. It inhibits mold, mildew, and bacteria from growing in our cloths. And also our microfibers proven to remove 99% of bacteria from our skin with just water. And they're just to die for. I love this color so much. The Ultra Plush towels, in my opinion, they're warmer, they're cozier, and more luxurious than a typical cotton towel for sure. And there's never going to be any musty smells hanging around in our bathroom. Now, what makes these better than cotton towels? Studies actually show that bacteria can begin multiplying on damp cotton towels immediately. Then that bacteria gets transferred right back onto our body or even our face or our hands if we're drying our hands with our hand towels. Now, Norwex microfiber dries quickly. It self-cleans with the included BacLock, so we can keep using these towels and hand towels and body cloths again and again before washing them without the stink. Also means less laundry for us. So the bath towel size is 55 inches by 29 inches, so it's a nice size towel. The hand towel is 27 inches by 13 inches. Perfect size for bathrooms, even kitchens, guest baths. And then the body cloth is 12 inches by 12 inches. These are gentle, great for people with sensitive skin, removes dirt, oils, and bacteria using just water. I use a body and face cloth every morning and every night on my skin. It's all I use to cleanse my skin. And then maybe a little bit of the probiotic cleanser, the cleansing facial powder. I wash these with Norwex laundry detergent, never use bleach, fabric softener, or dryer sheets. And I do prefer washing my Ultra Plush as well as my Lyocell towels from Norwex on gentle cold, and then I put them in the dryer either on fluff or a really low gentle heat. And in my opinion, it helps keep the towels soft and really plushy. And then just hang them to dry in between uses. I put up two little command hooks here. It's where we dry our towels. They're dry every day. This would make a great gift for anyone on your list. It's thoughtful, practical, and a perfect way to upgrade your bathroom. So you can wrap yourself in comfort and know that you're choosing towels that are better for our skin, our health, and of course, the planet.